Assalamu alaikum. Your boy Trini to the world here. So today is Sunday. I decided I'm gonna make a curry goat and stew chicken. The menu today would be bus up shot, chana and aloo, curry goat and stew chicken. Right? So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Love you guys. Yes guys, so I have my onions already cut up. So I have my onions, pimento and garlic cut up. I have my curry, mix some water in the curry, and I have my goat. Season up the goat. So I'm gonna put my oil and thing in the pot now. Oil. Have my onions and pimento and hot pepper and garlic ready to go in. You see how the test the oil. Nice, the oil hot. So we're gonna flavor up the oil a little bit. Very nice. Curry. Nice, I'm gonna let the curry fry up a little bit. Just now putting in the goat. I'm gonna put in the goat now. So we have the goat inside. Alright. So just gonna let this goat, all the fresh water to come from this goat. Alright, so while this goat cooking, while the goat cooking, we're gonna do some stew chicken on the side. Alright, the menu today is bus up shot, curry goat, stew chicken, chana and aloo. Right? Knock a pot. Checking out the goats. Springing water nice man. Curry goat, Trini to the world style. Ah boy. Color coming in nice. Gonna start the stew chicken now. The chicken season up. Gonna stew this. So we have the sugar. Waiting for the sugar to melt. Good. Hope you guys having a blessed Sunday. Sorry that I wasn't posting for those few months. But we are back on track again. Thank you guys for still supporting me. Sending love to everyone. From my family to yours. Big up to everybody. Yeah. Stewed chicken and curry goat. So we just bubbling up our pot here on a Sunday. Me and the family, we just chilling out. How everybody doing? Boy Trini to the world. What you guys, what's all the menu today? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you're cooking for lunch today. Place kinda humid today. Back the pot, see what's going on. Leave in the comment what is all the Sunday lunch today. What you guys having for lunch on a Sunday? So the goat dry up now. So add back some water now, all the fresh water dry up there. Add back some water and cover it down. Leave it to cook a little bit. So we add back the water. And then cover it and leave it to cook. Yep. Nice legs. And put some water in this stew now. Preparing a pine to make a chow. Stay tuned for the pine chow as well. Yeah. Pine, shadow benny. Nice peaceful Sunday. Now add the garlic. You're bad. Chop, 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 chop. Put the pepper. The final product of the pine chow. Yeah. Still looking nice. Very nice. I'll update on the goat. Final product of the goat. Nice. Nice bit. Check the view here, guys. Nice. Nice, peaceful environment. There's fruit trees. Yeah. Just chilling out. Hope you guys enjoy the little clip that I did today. Thanks to everybody that watched the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You all ever hear about this fruit?
Be careful.
They call it mulberries. Check it out. Mulberries. Anybody ever see a mulberry tree? This is it. It's a mulberry tree. See the tower up there. Cherries. Yeah. Nice cherries. Straight off the tree. Yeah. Very nice. So a plant, but it's small, eh? If it's so, the plant full up. If I find it full, eh? Small. It's small and they have fruits. Fruits. This one here. Full right around. What this one? Small. Cherry? Yeah, I was down by that tree. True? Paru. Shatainu. And some citrus.
No, bite it out. Bite it up to the juice to go in the mouth. You get any?
This plant there.
And then we go to the wood and the fire. Then they go on the liquid. Jack, come and open anything for you? Jack, so should you open it again? Touch the remote again. Yeah, come on.
Real nice and peaceful, but relaxed. Don't forget to leave a comment. What was on the Sunday menu today? Today we're just chilling out a little bit. Check the pond. So I'm gonna eat some food now, right? Stay tuned, you'll see how the food looking. Curry goat, stew chicken, chana and aloo, shatine, mango takari, bus up shot. Yeah, don't know. Mango takari, shatine, and chana and aloo. We have a model now. Yeah. So now is the taste test time. So we have the goat, stew chicken, chana aloo, shatine, and the roti.
See the bird? Come say hello. Come say hello. And it's not she do
Yeah?
like think she really done it. She does real.
You look like a baby when you do that.
Yeah. Everything tasting real good. Chana tasting good. But tastes good. Most important thing, where it tastes good. See the chicken? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe.